today we're working on 7.1, is that we get to convert between cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Um, Cups, pints, quarts, and gallons, I think the way that we would express it is it's a measurement in, or they're measurements in volume. So if you can imagine like a gallon of milk, right? Um, it's so the way we express it is gallon, and what it means that by volume is it means I guess just how much there is. So is in particular referring to liquids. Okay. Um, this is in order. Cups are smaller than pints, which are smaller than quarts, which are smaller than gallons. Okay. If you look on 228, there's this really interesting, beautiful conversion chart and drawing, and I want you to understand how to use that today. Okay. So the first thing that you'll see is, and you might not even recognize this, but there's like this giant G. Does everybody see the giant G on the outside? Okay. That shows that there is, the conversion for one. We're looking at what's in 1 gallon in this case. Okay. The next smallest um, measurement that you will see, I want to make sure I get this right. I think I'm looking at something that Zane showed me last year. It's incorrect. It is incorrect. Good. The next smallest or the next measurement that you'll see, and maybe I should just start drawing this just to be a lot easier, is quarts. By the way, what does quarts sound like to you? Yes, quarter, which means what? Fourth or four, right? There just happens to be 4 quarts in a gallon, okay? So we can say 1 gallon, and this is the uh, the abbreviation, equals 4 quarts, and this is the abbreviation for quart. Is everybody okay with this diagram so far? Okay. How many pints then are in a quart according to this? Here we go. How many pints are in a quart according to this? It's the P. How many pints are in a quart? Okay, so there are 2 pints in a quart. Okay. Yes, I know it's starting to get a little small. I get it. So there's 4 quarts equals. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say 4 quarts. That's right. 1 quart equals 2 pints, right? Um, I don't know the abbreviation for pints. I'm just gonna. And I know some people say pints, but it is pints. One of those weird English rules, right? So how many pints are in a gallon? How many pints are in a gallon? You can see that there are 8 total pints in a gallon. And if you did this conversion, 4 times 2, right? So if you do 1 times 4 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. That's how you get to that one, okay? Yes. Well, it's more than 14. So you'll see that there are 2 cups in each pint, right? So what I would say is 2 cups equals 1 pint, right? Okay. So how many pints are in a gallon? Yes, sir. I'm sorry. How many cups are in a gallon is what I meant to ask. Yes. I love that you went to the multiplication with that one. You said, okay, so we knew that there was 8 pints in a gallon times 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There are 16 cups in a gallon. I love that you use the multiplication. Okay. How many cups are in a quart? How many cups are in a quart? If the, how many cups are in a quart? There are 4 cups in a quart, and you could do that if you're going from quarts to cups. You can do 1 times 2, which is 2, and then 2 times 2, which is 4. How are we feeling about the multiplication of this? Using this as multiplication. Will you open to the inside front cover of your book as well? On the inside front cover of your book, there are conversion charts for